together as one.
I just love it, huh?
Let's take it from our hearts and spread it wide.
Gotta bring this one out for my brothers and sisters, my neighbors.
We got a long road ahead.
Yeah.
Pull together, we can do this.
It's a Caribbean collaboration.
All my brothers and sisters, let the love flow, let the love show.
We gotta speak a stance. It's all about strength. Let's rise. Life, pressure, struggle, strain. Must stand together, let us shoulder the pain. Me can't dare witness blood a run down the drain. Me can't stand helpless and a half a ear.
No, I would never ever turn and walk away. When we stop and take a good